Hello people and welcome back to another amazing episode on Collin Dashcam channel. We'll start this one off with a crazy road rage between a cammer and an angry Karen who was mad at him for filming some kids in a parking lot. Check this one out.
You think that's funny that little kids is fighting? That's funny to you that little kids is fighting?
It is actually pretty funny.
It is funny? You know what's even more funny? That our community up and you're the problem. That's real funny.
Wait, hold on. What? Wait. What? Wait.
Funny, your kids.
Wait, hold on.
To you that little kids are fighting?
Wait, what's worse? Me fighting? No, them fighting or me recording? But I'm the problem?
The fact that you got that nice ass bike and you're sitting recording kids, weirdo.
You should see my car if you this is nice.
Papa Willie.
Pop a wheelie for you?
Yeah, let me see something that move around. You recording little kids? You like little kids? Weird ass.
You hear them kids talking?
Where, my young boy?
So these kids they're like 13 years old. 13, 12, 11. And then you have this lovely lady talking like that in front of kids.
Exactly. Get this ass bomb. Clap for Trev.
Make it clap for me. Oh, what is she gonna do? What are you gonna do? Shoot me? I wouldn't do that. You didn't hear her threaten me?
I don't give a. That's a female, bro. Come on. You over here recording people for what?
Do you want to answer to that? Do you want to answer?
I don't care about no.
So why ask a question?
About me, I don't give a.
Why ask a question if you don't want the answer to it? I'm the reason the community up and not her. Not her threatening to kick me. Not these little badass kids running around, no parents in sight.
Cammer didn't realize that there was a tree branch on the road on time, and because of that he had to slam his brakes, and he got rear-ended.
What happened? What happened?
Crazy driver thought that it would be a great idea to expose his life in danger by cutting right in front of this semi-truck driver. Looks like the driver in front of the camera is in some dire need of gas. He was so needy that he ignored the road markings here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a man of culture right here. At least he waited for the traffic lights to turn green before cutting everyone else off. It came to a road rage incident between a van driver and another vehicle who cut right in front of him. The situation didn't end at a simple cut-off, and at the next traffic lights, the van driver tried to get out of his van to confront the crazy driver. We have a sneaky driver who tried to use the shoulder of the road to get his way in front of the queue, but the camera didn't allow him. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on Collin Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. After all, it will make us really happy if you learned by simply observing those mistakes. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button, because that will be greatly appreciated. And also while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.